Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of luxury vehicles and RVs that redefine what it means to hit the road. Today, we're talking about something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, which is essentially the Faulkner Mobile Performance S customized to perfection for Bugatti enthusiasts. This isn't just any RV, it's a rolling palace that combines hypercar flair with ultimate comfort, and it's designed to carry your Bugatti Chiron right along with you. If you're dreaming of nomadic luxury without sacrificing speed or style, stick around as we break down the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing in detail. Let's jump right in. Starting with the exterior, this motorhome is a masterpiece of engineering and design that screams sophistication from every angle. Measuring a commanding 12 meters in length, or about 39 feet, it's built on a robust chassis that balances size with agility. The body features clean, aerodynamic lines with high-quality finishes, including LED lighting that illuminates the road ahead and adds a futuristic glow at night. One of the standout elements is the patented central garage positioned right between the axles. This isn't your average storage space, it's a hydraulic marvel that can house a full-sized supercar like the Bugatti Chiron without eating into the living area's headroom. The garage dimensions are generous at 4.7 meters long, 2 meters wide, and 1.42 meters high, and with custom extensions, it fits the Chiron perfectly, up to 4.62 meters in length. You simply drive your Bugatti onto the cardanically suspended platform, and it retracts seamlessly underneath on almost any surface, no tie-downs needed, and it even doubles as a terrace when the car's out. The exterior also boasts slide-out walls that expand the living space when parked, solar panels on the roof for eco-friendly power, and an overhead awning for shade. In one custom build, it sports an elegant eggplant purple paint job that matches the opulence of a Bugatti, but colors and finishes are fully customizable. Overall, the design prioritizes both aesthetics and functionality, with airliner tie-down rails for securing gear and a low-profile look that doesn't scream RV, but whispers ultra-luxury mobile estate. Moving inside, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome transforms into a 5-star hotel on wheels, where every detail is crafted for indulgence and convenience. The interior is fully customizable, offering floor plans with wall-out or slide-out options that increase the space dramatically when stationary, giving you that open, airy feel. Step in, and you're greeted by premium materials like top-grain leather seating, hand-applied brilliant black wood veneer, and even marble floors in some configurations. The living area features reclining seats with built-in massage functions, ventilation, heating, and swivel capabilities so you can face the massive high-definition TV or enjoy the view. Audio enthusiasts will love the high-end Burmester sound system, developed specifically for this model. It's a multi-zone setup costing up to €300,000 alone, delivering crystal-clear sound in every room, from the lounge to the bedroom. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with an induction stove, oven, microwave, full-sized refrigerator, dishwasher, and an espresso machine, plus optional wine cabinets and power-rising storage for plates and cups that emerge at the touch of a button. There's even an electrically extendable kitchen island, a niche for your coffee setup, and a drop-down Weber grill for outdoor barbecues. The bedroom offers a queen or king-size drop-down bed with high thread count linens, ensuring restful nights, while the spa-like bathroom includes a large shower. Bigger than most RVs, a wooden wash basin made from over 100 hand-laminated layers, modern vanity units with ample storage, and heated floors for that extra touch of luxury. Practicality isn't forgotten either. There's a space-saving washing machine, an extendable shoe cabinet, and rear garage space for up to 2 bicycles. Self-sufficiency is key here, with a 25 kilowatt-hour battery bank, or up to 1,800 amp-hours in some specs, a 2,400-watt solar system, fresh water tanks holding 750 to 1,000 liters, and total heating power of 26 kilowatts paired with 10 kilowatts air conditioning. Everything is controlled via the intuitive Faulkner UX system, which handles hydraulics, leveling, and climate with ease, manual or automatic. It's not just luxurious, it's smart, with soft closed drawers, ambient lighting, satellite connectivity, and advanced climate control for year-round comfort, making long trips feel like a vacation in itself. Now, let's talk performance, because this isn't some sluggish behemoth. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome delivers driving dynamics that rival high-end tour buses while maintaining the poise you'd expect from a Bugatti-associated vehicle. Under the hood, or rather at the rear, you'll find powerful diesel engines from either Volvo or Mercedes. The Volvo option pumps out 454 horsepower, 338 kilowatts, while the Mercedes delivers 424 horsepower, 316 kilowatts, both mated to a smooth I-shift automatic transmission for effortless gear changes. This setup ensures it can tackle steep inclines, long highways, and even twisty roads with confidence. The air suspension system, borrowed from premium coaches, provides exceptional ride comfort, absorbing bumps and maintaining stability at highway speeds. Thanks to the low center of gravity, achieved by placing the central garage and heavy components strategically between the axles, it handles corners neutrally without excessive body roll, making it surprisingly agile for its size. Hydraulic systems power everything from the garage platform to automatic leveling jacks, ensuring quick setup at campsites. For self-sufficiency on the go, there's a 10 kilowatts diesel generator, massive fuel and water capacities, and that solar array to keep the batteries topped up. Advanced driver assist tech, including multiple cameras, makes maneuvering and parking a breeze, even in tight spots. While top speed isn't the focus here, it's more about cruising comfortably at 60 to 70 miles per hour. The overall performance emphasizes safety, efficiency, and pleasure, with features like tour bus-grade brakes and stability control. It's built for those who want to arrive in style without the hassle of towing a trailer for their supercar, turning every journey into an adventure. Of course, all this luxury comes at a price, and the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome doesn't disappoint in the exclusivity department. Base models of the Faulkner Mobile Performance S start around 1.5 to 2 million euros, which is about 1.6 to $2.4 million at current exchange rates. But when you factor in customizations, like the Burmester audio, Bugatti-compatible garage extensions, premium interiors, and that eggplant purple exterior, the cost can soar. Some fully loaded versions, especially those tailored for housing a Bugatti Chiron, which itself costs around $3 million, push the total package to $7.7 million or more. It's not just buying an RV, it's investing in a bespoke lifestyle, where every option from marble countertops to advanced solar systems adds to the bill. For comparison, that's in the realm of superyacht territory, but with the freedom of the open road. If you're in the market, expect to work directly with Faulkner for personalization, as prices vary based on specs and features. Wrapping up, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a statement of unparalleled luxury, blending the thrill of Bugatti performance with the comfort of a high-end home. Whether you're crossing continents or parking at a scenic overlook, it redefines travel for the elite. If this review got you excited, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth looks at dream machines, and drop a comment below. Would you splurge on this RV, and what supercar would you store in the garage? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.